Hey, good morning, Francois here, Chief Medical Exercise Specialist with the Pain Clinic. All right, we're getting close towards the middle of the week, but as we go throughout the week, sometimes we get into those routines where we want to have snacks, right? Maybe we're busy throughout our week and we want to grab some stuff to help out with our energy. So today at the Other Pain Clinic's website, www.theotherpainclinic.com, I posted a blog article about nourishing your mind and your body by up-leveling your snacks. It's to snack smart and to stay focused, right? So that we can stay on top of our game. So basically what I share with you are actually five, yes, five plus one recipe for a healthy snack that you could kind of swap out so that you could elevate your snack routine. All right. Once again, check out the blog post at theotherpainclinic.com. Let me know what you think about those five ways we could kind of up level your snacks, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.